with the first light of the day. The birds climb ever high, and on the blue they sail away. It was meant to be like this, everything at peace, a new world full of hope, a promise whispered on the breeze. But we're groaning here below, too familiar with the sound. The teardrop on your cheek reflects a world left upside down. Unseen and unexplained, my river running wild, but never running free, restless as the ocean, longing for the sea, not yet reconciled, and always passing through. And I would lose myself to find myself in you. As the ocean, longing for the sea, not yet reconciled, and always passing